So if you're thinking about having your carpet cleaned, this video is to demonstrate exactly how much work goes into cleaning a carpet. Today we're working in a 6-bedroom house. This is actually an end of tenancy clean, so the tenant at the moment needs to get all the carpets professionally cleaned so he can provide his landlord with a receipt to show exactly what's been done, because that's all part of the agreement. We have used our ultraviolet light here just to check for if there are any pet accidents, and there aren't, because the tenant didn't have any pets. So we're going to now crack on with vacuuming the carpet. Now's the time to spray our product down. This is a non-toxic product that will clean and disinfect. So this machine is called a contra-rotating brush machine. It has 2 brushes on the bottom there that contra-rotate, and what they're going to do, they're going to reach right into that carpet pile and they're going to work and massage the cleaning product deep into the pile, and that's going to help to remove the soil from the carpet fibres. It's also going to lift the pile. Now at this stage I'd expect the carpet to start looking brighter, because this is where the magic happens. Right, that noise you hear is airflow, air being sucked in through the mouth of the carpet cleaning wand, and the sign of a very powerful carpet cleaning machine is that noise. So what's happening now is hot cleaning solution, in this case it's slightly acidic water, hot water, is being injected into the carpet, and then it's then hitting the carpet fibres, loosening the bonds between the dirt and the fibre, and then all that dirt is then being extracted up into here, and then eventually it ends up in the waste tank of the machine. Right, with all the cleaning done, all the extraction done, we now need to groom the carpet to get rid of the shark's teeth. Grooming not only removes the lines left by the carpet cleaning wand, if we reset the pile, get the fibres to stand up, it's going to help to dry the carpet. Just looks loads better as well.